Good day everyone, this is Born in Batanes once again. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful homemade kombucha. So let's start. We need a cup of sugar. You can use white or brown sugar. We need 16 cups of hot water and 12 pieces of black tea, or you can use green tea. I haven't tried the green tea yet, maybe next time. I always use the black tea because the flavor is stronger. So first, I'm going to dip the tea bags in 8 cups of hot water. I use boiling water. So in this process, make sure that you sterilize everything that you're going to use, because we are going to ferment it. We don't want it to catch any bad bacteria. So while the tea is soaking and steeping, I'm going to add the rest of the water in the big bottle that I'm going to use. And after 10 minutes, you can remove the tea bags. You can leave it longer if you want. It's just going to be too strong. For the first time, I suggest that you do it 10 minutes. So after that, and make sure that your hand is really clean and that it's not soapy or anything. Just make sure everything is clean. So after that, I mixed it in the bottle, and then I put a piece of Scoby inside and a cup of the natural kombucha. So after that, we are going to keep this for 10 days and let it brew for 10 days. So this one, I'm going to put inside the cupboard where it's a bit warm, and make sure that there's nothing inside the cupboard that will contaminate your kombucha. So after 10 days, you can now flavor your kombucha. You can drink it as is. It's a natural kombucha already, but you can also flavor it. Mine, I always make lemon ginger or lime mint flavor. So the ginger, I peel and then I pour some hot water in it. So everything that I'm using for the kombucha is sterilized. So the lemon also, I wash it and pour some hot water. And the ginger, I slice thinly and put it in the bottle. How much ginger? It depends on how strong the taste of the ginger you would like to have in your kombucha. So I suggest that you start with a little bit at a time and see if you want to adjust the next time. So while I am doing that, I would like to just say where the kombucha has originated. So it originated in China, and on the 20th century, it had spread to Germany, Russia, and other parts of the Eastern Europe. Kombucha is now homebrewed globally and also bottled and sold commercially. So, kombucha is a fermented sugar tea using the symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast, which is the Scoby. That's the white thing that I put inside that a while ago. So it is commonly called a mother or mushroom because it's a fungi. It's something like that. It is commonly called as tea fungus or mushroom or acetic acid bacteria. So the living bacteria in kombucha is said to be probiotic. It's one of the reasons for the popularity of the drink. So although there are numerous health benefit claims in regards to drinking kombucha, it is still not proven. But they say that if you consume 4 ounces or 120 ml per day, it is not harmful. And also, it is not harmful for the healthy people. So if you have some illnesses or you're taking some medicines, you might want to consult your doctor before taking kombucha. So now we are going to fill our bottles for the second fermentation. Now this one is definitely drinkable. You can drink it as is. It's a plain kombucha, but the taste is much better once you put the flavor and you ferment it for another 7 days. So this one is called carbonation. We're going to carbonate it. So we'll wait for 7 days, another 7 days. I know it seems too long, but it's so much worth it. So this one I put in a sealed bottle. You have to use a sealed bottle, otherwise it will not carbonate at all. So the Scoby that we have used, I put back in the mother bottle where the rest of the Scoby is, and then I cover it with a cloth and put it back in the cupboard. And these beauties are going to ferment for another 7 days. So we'll see them after 7 days. Now they are ready. So what I do every time after the second fermentation is to release some of the carbon dioxide in the bottle before I put it in the fridge. So as you can see, it has carbonated beautifully. The lime mint, on the other hand, doesn't do much of a carbonation. It's usually like that. I think it depends on the flavor that you mix with your brewed tea. So that's it. I hope that I shared something useful and interesting with you, and I hope that you'll try to make it and see how it goes and let me know how it goes. And if you want to try to make a kombucha and you are in Hong Kong, I am very much willing to give you a starter and a Scoby to start with. And just leave a comment on the comment section below, and I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. And before I end my talking, I just want to show you this. This is what you don't want to do when you're trying to release the carbon dioxide in your kombucha. So every time, do it slowly, hold the cup so you don't lose too much. So in this process, I lose a cup of a good kombucha. So there you have it. If you have any questions, please leave a comment on the comment section below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. Again, thank you for watching. God bless. Bye-bye.